Have you ever noticed how some prairie towns hold on to a story in plain sight, but most people drive past without realizing it? In Provost, one of those stories sits quietly in the landscape, waiting for anyone curious enough to pause and look closer. Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This place began as Lakeview, a small settlement along the railway survey lines. When the Canadian Pacific Railway came through in the early 1900s, the name was changed to Provost, and the first train arrived in 1910. That rail line set the pace for the town's early years, bringing farmers, merchants, and supplies into what was then still rough prairie. You can still feel that history when you see the train tracks and grain elevators that once defined almost every prairie skyline. Some of the town's landmarks carry those roots forward. St. Norbert's Rosenheim Church, built in 1922, still stands as the largest rural neo-Gothic church in Alberta. South of town, the Boda archaeological site tells an even older story. Thousands of years of bison hunting grounds used by Indigenous peoples. Even the community's events reflect the continuity. The Agri Day and trade show draws people each year much like the railway once did, connecting the region through shared work and gathering. So what's the quiet hidden story here? It's that Provost has always been a place defined by connection. First through the rails, then through faith and farming, and now through the networks of roads, events, and community services that keep it steadily on the map. What looks like just another small town at the edge of the prairie is, in fact, a crossroads with deep roots. Today, Provost serves as a hub for surrounding farms with schools, healthcare, and recreation facilities that anchor daily life. The airport runway is still one of the longest between Edmonton and Saskatoon, proof that the town remains oriented toward connection. Seen in this way, Provost isn't just a stop along Highway 13. It's a place where history still shapes the rhythm of the present. So if you enjoyed this little journey, give that like button a tap. It's free and oddly satisfying. If you haven't subscribed yet, just know I share a new small town story every week, weather permitting of course. Feel free to pass this along to your aunt, your neighbor, or that one friend who still thinks Alberta ends at Calgary. They need this more than they know. And you'll find gradient imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok because apparently I'm not busy enough. But until next week, drive safe, wave at strangers, and take the scenic route.